Is anybody else completely overwhelmed? I can't be the only one here, right? Not quite sure when it all started for me, but recently I've been depressed, anxious, and socially withdrawn from the people I care about. I can tie all of these feelings directly back to my phone, and I can't seem to get away from it. Don't get me wrong, I don't think the phone is inherently the issue here. In fact, it actually helps me a lot in my day-to-day life. Whether it's keeping in touch with friends and family, or I just saw a really cool bug and I wanted to know its name. Cereal leaf beetle, huh? You don't look like no cornflake, not a Captain Crunch. So if my phone is such a useful tool for me, what's the issue, you may ask? Well,
it's the social media.
I'd like to preface this video by saying I don't really think I'm bringing anything new to the table with this idea. I mean, social media bad for me? Somebody call the news. There are tons of videos already made about this exact subject, and with all honesty, they're probably a bit more coherent than this video, but that's beside the point. This is me, this is my opinion, shh. The sites I primarily use are YouTube and Twitter. I hate you so much. Life is worth living.
Hey, bud. Sorry to be such a loser.
What?
Well, get ready to join the Ford Revolution. Introducing the new Ford F-160. Yeah, we went there.
What do you... I don't even drive!
Ha! With full self-driving, you don't even need to. Oh, feel that. Yeah, that's what it's like to go from 0 to 60 in under a second. It's a winner's feeling.
No. This is way too fast. There's a speed bump. There's a speed bump up there.
Don't worry. The only thing that's gonna stop this truck is a weak mindset, buddy.
Well, this is it. I'm gonna die.